Hi guys. So basically last video there was a problem. My phone actually ran out of storage because I forgot to delete the old videos that I made, but for now here's the finished version of the Kiwi fan. Nice, right? And here's the watermelon. So as promised, I'm gonna show you guys a bonus today, which is how to make the palm leaf. So let's get started. So guys, I have already made a fan. Basically I just took an A4 size paper, folded it, and I have also made these. Basically these elongated diamond shapes or spikes, whatever you'll call them. I have got 16 of them, and what I'm gonna do is I'll glue them up. You have to align the center of this and this, so make sure you do that. I'm done gluing. Now you'll place them individually like this. So basically it's very easy, just a little bit variation. Look, like this, continue till here. So guys, as you can see, I am already done gluing all of them. Next, start folding it like this, the fan fold. Yes, some might get stuck, but don't worry, it can be fixed easily. Just press it tightly. Then take some glue, put it here, and then glue it up. Yeah, so that's it, and I guess you're done. Now you can also add a stem on its underside, but I prefer it like this. So hope it's nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I have planned to show you guys how to make this magic fan. If you want to see how to make this, please comment down below, and hopefully I'll be able to make a video of that. Bye.